It's 7:12 in the morning on August 14th, 2035. Before you even open your eyes, your phone makes a quiet sound. Apartment income, $2.31. A few months ago, you invested $100 in an apartment building. You did not buy an apartment. You bought a tiny piece of the entire building. Now the tenants have paid their rent, the building has paid its bills, and your $2.31 share has arrived on your phone. Then another message appears. Car battery failure. Replacement not recommended. Your old car is dead, and you have a meeting across the city this afternoon. You open an app and search for another car. A blue electric car is available nearby. It costs $24,500. The app shows its mileage, repairs, accidents, and past owners. Everything checks out, so you tap buy. The money leaves your account just as it would with any other purchase. The difference is that everything else happens just as fast. The car's ownership transfers to you, the insurance activates, and a digital key appears on your phone. All within seconds. You walk outside. The car recognizes the digital key, and the door unlocks. There was no pile of paperwork and no long wait. The car's ownership history is stored on many computers at once. That makes it very difficult for anyone to secretly rewrite it. This shared record is called a blockchain. On that record, a digital token now links the car to you. The token is not the car itself. It is proof that you own it. Because this token represents the whole car, you are its only owner. At 2 that afternoon, after your meeting, you park outside your favorite bakery. Across the street, you notice a familiar apartment building. It is the same building you invested in, the one that paid you this morning. The building is worth $10 million. You own a tiny slice of it. The building was not physically divided into pieces. Its ownership was. The token in your account proves that you own a small part of the building and gives you a small part of its income. With the car, you bought the entire asset. With the apartment building, you bought only a small piece. That is one of the main ideas behind tokenization. One person can own the whole thing, or many people can each own a small part. You cross the street and enter the bakery. The owner is standing near the counter, looking at a screen. Help us open location. 2. Own a piece from $25. The bakery needs $500,000 to open a second location. In the past, the owner might have needed a large bank loan or one rich investor. Instead, the bakery divided part of the new location into many small tokens. Customers and other investors can buy those tokens and help raise the money. The screen says the bakery has raised $499,975. Only $25 is missing. You know this bakery. You know the bread, the workers, and the long line every morning. You tap invest and add the final $25. The number on the screen changes to $500,000 and a small ownership token appears in your account. The token does not mean you own a loaf of bread, a table, or an oven. It means you own a very small financial share of the new location. If that location does well, your share may earn money. If it struggles, your share may lose value. Ownership always carries both sides. Your $25 was small, but when thousands of people added their own small amounts, the bakery received enough money to grow. At 8:16 that evening, you sit on your couch and open your portfolio. You see the car you own, your small piece of the apartment building, and your tiny share of the bakery's new location. At the bottom of the screen, a message says that new opportunities are added every day from around the world. Then you notice a button. Explore the world. You tap it, and a map opens. A restaurant in Dubai is offering small ownership pieces for $50. You buy one. A rental house in New York is divided into $100 pieces. You buy one of those too. A business in China is raising money to grow. You invest $80. You are still sitting on your couch, but small pieces of all three now appear in your portfolio. The restaurant, the house, and the business never moved. Only the ownership did. Your phone makes one last quiet sound. Bakery location 2. Grand opening Saturday. You're invited.